animals and nature. The squirrel, who gathered too much. In the heart of green meadow forest lived a curious squirrel named Scamper. One sunny day, Scamper noticed that acorns were falling from the trees in abundance. With a twinkle in his eye, he decided to gather as many as possible. Scamper busied himself, collecting acorns all morning. The sun grew hotter, but he didn't stop. Soon, the forest path was covered with stacks of acorns, leading back to his tree. Later that day, a cunning fox named Sly Fox saw the trail of acorns. His sharp eyes shone with greed as he plotted to take all the acorns for himself. Under the cover of night, Sly Fox crept to Scamper's tree. He tried to steal the acorns one by one, but Scamper heard the rustling and woke up. Scamper, determined to protect his hard-earned acorns, bravely stood up to Sly Fox. A chase ensued through the forest, Scamper using his agility to outmaneuver the cunning fox. Tired but not defeated, Scamper finally made it back to his tree. He let out a sigh of relief as he saw that all the acorns were still there. That night, Scamper felt proud of himself for standing up to Sly Fox. He realized that he didn't need to gather too much. He just needed to work together with his friends in the forest. The next day, Scamper gathered his friends and discussed how they could share resources to help everyone. They decided that each animal would gather a fair amount of food for the winter. Together, the animals worked hard and shared their resources fairly throughout the winter. They celebrated each other's achievements and enjoyed a warm, happy winter, thanks to Scamper's courage and wisdom. As the snow melted and spring arrived, the forest animals gathered around a warm fire. They shared stories of their winter adventures, and Scamper's brave tale inspired everyone to work together in the future. From that day on, the forest animals played and frolicked in the sunlight. Their bonds were stronger than ever because they had learned to work together, and Scamper, the brave squirrel, was hailed as a hero by all. Through this adventure, Scamper learned the importance of working together and sharing resources. He taught his friends to do the same, and in the end, they all enjoyed a warm, happy winter, thanks to their unity.